Hello everyone, it's Laurel here from Forever Purple Creations, and I am here to share Rosie Posie's latest kit, the Teacup and Saucer Stick Pin Cushion Kit. I hope I said it right. I was going to go live, but I just figured I didn't want to have to film and then upload, and I was going to go live, and then I just changed my mind, and I decided just to come on and film it. So I did just get in the door, and I got this mail, so I'm going to open it up and show it to you. So give me 1 second to cut the box open, and we will get started. So I know this one is sold out. Sorry for any of those that would like it after they see this video, but Rosie's kits sell out before anybody gets them, and don't mind my messy desk. So as always, it's all packaged very nicely. So we're going to take out everything. Oh, okay. It's a glass teacup, guys. Be careful. Holy cow. Okay. So there's all the goodies. And before I start, I have a few things to explain to all of you about the kit. So I'm just going to go find my message so I can read it to you and let you know what's going on. My phone wants to cooperate. Let's see. All right. So first, I'm supposed to let everyone know that there are some of them are getting a few tiny different embellishments from others. Not much, just a few. And then I'm supposed to tell you, let's see. And there are 2 different teacup patterns as well. And also there is some bling, the little bling that comes in the kit. And I have it somewhere. If I can find mine real quick, I'll show it to you. She forgot to put it in mine, but it will be in all of yours. It's those little embellishment things that she uses. So I'll try and find mine and show it to you really quick. So I think that's all the only thing she told me. Let me see. Yep, I think that was it. So so that's it. So there's 2 different teacup patterns, and there are a slight difference in embellishments. And these are the little things that Rosie's talking about. I believe they're probably going to be loose ones, because they come loose and sometimes they come on this paper. But I believe these are the ones she was talking about that you won't see in my package, but you will have in your package. So that's those. So let's go ahead and open up the teacup and saucer and see what we got. I was not aware it was going to be a real teacup and saucer, which that's even more awesome. So there's the saucer. Isn't that pretty? Beautiful pattern. Love the ridges and the silver on the edges. And then let's hope I didn't break the teacup when it hit the glass, because I didn't know it was going to be glass. And then here is the teacup. And it's really pretty. And it's got the silver through the handle and the silver around the edge. Love the shape of this. So that is the teacup. I hope you guys can see that. I know my light is all wonky. I don't know why it's always wonky like that. All right, so that's the teacup and saucer. And then I am guessing this is the batting that is going inside. So I'm not going to open that because Laurel will make a mess out of it. Okay. And then we're going to open this little package and see what's in here. This must, ooh. Wow, Laurel's like really rocking and rolling here today, huh? All right, so we have this beautiful flower. That's gorgeous, with the little sprays coming out of it and the little bling in the center. And then we have some pearls. I'm guessing this is to make a stick pin. The pearls. And some little porcelain flowers with the thread in the center, and mine have purple in them. 2. So you get 2 of those, and then you get this little bitty dangle. I love these things. Those things are gorgeous. And then you get these gorgeous little charms. One is a bow and one is a flower. Aren't those pretty? And you get those. think that's it. Yep, that's all that's in there. I'm going to open this one. Let's see. So we're going to get this ruffled one, which I imagine will go all the way around the teacup. That's beautiful. And I would imagine if you wanted to, you could dye it a different color or use this color. And then you get some appliques. Let's pull out the little appliques like this. 1, 2. I think that's it. Oh, and a little flower. Oh, I think there's more. Okay, so that's those 3. And then this one, I love this one. Look at that shape. That's beautiful. And then you're getting some little doilies. So I'm going to lay these out. Love these tiny little doilies. I love this one. So there's the little doilies. And then this beautiful doily. Now these you could put around here, or you could put them on top of your pincushion. Let's move this one over, and then you get this gorgeous Venice one. Love that. That is really pretty. And then, ooh, you get this big white one. Now for me, I would do this like that. That's just my thought. May change when I start making it. Who knows? This may go over the top. Again, who knows? My mind changes a lot when I'm working on something. Then you get these 3 little Venice flowers. And it can be ironed. So you get 3 of those. And then you get this gorgeous fabric. See, it's like, how do you choose what to use here? Now, you know, this is beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Love that in there. And it's so shimmery. That is really pretty. So you get that gorgeous piece. And then you get a piece of this. And I want to, it's got to be a cotton. It looks like a muslin. And you get this piece in a beige, or, yep, oh, yeah, I would call this a light beige. It's got the little speckles in it. So that's a beautiful piece, and Rosie will have to help me because I'm not quite sure. Maybe you wrap it with this first and just kind of layer as you go. I'm not quite sure. I haven't actually made one of these in a teacup before, so this is something new for me. I mean, I've made stick pin cushions, but not in a teacup. So let's put all this back on here. And then we'll put it back in the bag. So that is your, I think that's it. I didn't see anything else unless I'm doing something wrong. Nope, I think that's it. So you've got your teacup, your little embellishments, and your laces and doilies and fabric, and then your batting. So that is the teacup kit, which is going to be awesome to make, and me and Rosie will be making this together. I would have loved to made the stocking. I was looking forward to that, but you know, I'll have to make mine on my own. But me and Rosie will be working on this one together. So we'll probably be doing it next week sometime, and everybody should have their teacups and stuff by then. Please be careful opening them. They are glass. Don't be like me and bang it onto something and break it before we get started. I was not aware that these were glass. And this actually looks like it's a lavender and pink, but that's just what my eyes are seeing. So make sure you're very careful when you open it up. I can't wait till everybody gets theirs and we can sit and work on these. And I love seeing everybody's take on the projects when they get the kits from Rosie. So this is going to be a fun one. I'm looking forward to the next one as well. And as you guys know, it is a Christmas stocking. I know she had a few left. I don't know if she still does, but you can find Rose on Facebook at Rose Alcala. I will put her name in the description box below if you should want the stocking, like I said, I'm not going to guarantee she has any left. She sold out of most of them pretty quick when I announced it on Friday. So we will, you'll have to contact her to find out if she has any more of them left. Because like I said, her kits go super fast. So looking forward to making this one. I hope you guys will all join us when we put this one together. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. I am live every Friday and live on Thursdays with Maggie, and we are always doing fun and different things. So don't forget to get out there and create something, and I will see you all soon. Bye for now.